Commando Corps is an organization that trains our people to protect themselves. We call ourselves the Boer Nation. It's basically the white Afrikaans-speaking people in South Africa, we like to be called the Boer Nation now. The camps is for the younger guys. That is to train the younger guys to defend themselves, to defend their girlfriends, and so it's mostly school children from the age of 16 years upwards. You know, in South Africa there's been something like 60 people killed per day. So we have to protect our people. We have to learn our people also who the enemy is and what they do. No, we don't hate black people, but it's not our fault that 95% of the criminals in this country is black. It's obvious that people will start becoming to hate these creatures that murder people now regarding of their skin color. They will start hating these people because every day you just have to look after your back. They will kill you for a packet of cigarettes. It's been happened in this country. In 2005 they tried to steal 4,000 rand from me, two criminals. And I actually shot and killed both of them, because I was trained, because I did this training. We've trained about more than 2,000 of these school children by now, and a lot of those boys, well, mostly all of them, when we train them, when they come into the camp, they are sort of raw, you know, they don't know anything, they've got no discipline in them, and they're scared and everything. And after 9 days, you won't believe what we achieve in 9 days' time. And the parents come back to us and say, you know, in 9 years, we couldn't do what you do in 9 days. But it's because we use a military system. One of the things we do at these camps is we hoist the orange, white and blue flag, which we feel is our symbol. We don't see ourselves as part of this so-called Rainbow Nation. It's being forced down people's throats in South Africa that you are part of the Rainbow Nation. There's no such thing. You are either a Zulu or you are a Sotho or you are an Afrikaner or you are an Englishman or whatever. You know, there's no such thing as a Rainbow Nation. It's artificially created. We can easily divide this country into 5 smaller nations, where each nation can rule himself by his own people. And this is what's not happening with us in this country. We are being ruled by people that hasn't even got the same moral values than us. We want our own government, we want our own piece of ground, and we will, at the end, we will strive for that. And we will fight for our freedom.